Hello and welcome to the second episode of the new series, which is the basic series, and we're basically continuing where we left off. And in this video, in the last video, if I click on P, we added movement controls. So what we're gonna do now, in this episode we're gonna add a camera, and we're gonna add a first person view. Okay, we're gonna add a third person view to make you see the world well in the game. So first of all, delete our default camera, X to delete. So now what we're gonna do is Shift A, add a camera. So Alt R, click on that, then move it up, then come over here. After doing this, just gonna click on R. You're gonna click on X, and you're gonna click on 6T, enter. So if we press 0 and numbered, this is how it looks. So it's too close. We're gonna move it backwards a bit, move it upward a bit. 0. Okay, we're gonna move it upwards. 0, and it's up too much, so we're gonna bring it down a bit. And R X minus 10. R X minus 10. Okay, gonna just press enter, press R X 40. So 0 numpad. Okay, that's fair enough. So what you're gonna do, we're gonna scale this up so you can notice it. Scaled up by pressing the S to scale. 0 numpad, and now it's good. So what we're gonna do, you're gonna come here, you're gonna just drag this down, change this view to change this one to outliner. Okay, so what we're gonna do now, this camera, we're gonna name it. Okay, what we're gonna do, this cube here, which is this, on the plus. So if I click on the cube, then click on it and name it play here. Enter. So that's it here. So double click on the cube, which is the mesh. You're gonna name it play your underscore mesh. So what we're gonna do now, drag the camera over here. Drag the camera, put it on top of the player. So now each time, so if you click on 0 numpad P, click here, press A to deselect everything, P I'm gonna select this. Oh my god, something's wrong. P. Oh shit. Oh, come to object mode. 0 numbered P, and if you move now, you notice the camera is gonna follow the player. You notice that. Okay, I'll just change the color of the ground to make sure you notice it. Come over here. Okay, come here. Oh my god, I don't know this clear shit. Okay, just gonna close this one. Let's just try to close this one. Okay, just shit. Oh shit. Oh, sorry, that might be games. Now the face. Okay, what we're gonna do? Okay, just gonna come here. Right. Oh shit. Zoom in. can't use there. Oh, it was already here. Okay, what we're gonna do, we're just gonna come up here, come over here, click on should be the properties. Oh yeah. So now make sure you have your flowers, the flowers selected. You're gonna come over here and change the color to something like a green. So then specular turn on intensity, so it won't be reflective at all. So now if we press 0 on the numpad, P to play a game, and you move, you notice the player, the camera is following the player. So what we're gonna do now is gonna add some scripts to make the camera move and the player move. Okay, so what we're gonna do, click 0 on numpad, and make sure you have your camera selected. Gonna add sensor, gonna add movement sensor, gonna come over here, mouse sensor, look right, yeah. So just gonna do this. So click P, and oh, we've not set it yet, something's wrong. Okay, I think we're supposed to use mouse movements. Oh, sorry, I got it all wrong. So what we're gonna do now, come here, P on the axis, and if we move and it's moving, we want it to be moving only on the Z axis. So we come here, cannot deselect, let's deselect this P, move forward, no, okay, sorry, click 0 numpad, P, move forward. Okay, if we move it now, oh yeah, it moves only on the x-axis now. So what we're gonna do, click on the cube, you're gonna come here, press shift A, add a sensor, add a mouse sensor, gonna make it a movement. Gonna add shift A, add an actuator, add a add a mouse actuator. Oh sorry, you're gonna change it to the X. Okay, oh yeah, it is, look. Then you're gonna deselect the Y axis. So what you're gonna do now, you're gonna link it up. So what you're gonna do now, just minimize that, and P on the axis, move, and you notice the okay, so you notice you can move now, and you can move and you can rotate, you can look up, down, left, and right. So what we're gonna do, thanks for watching, see you in the next episode, bye bye.